I'm trying not to laugh too hard. I don't want to disturb her. Yeah, I'm recording this with a baby possum sitting on my fucking shoulder. It's epic. Oh my god. That's crazy. It's Bella Rose. It's a girl. She's a girl. This is how she acts when she's in heat. This is what she does. She humps my shit. That's my pillow. Yeah. Actually, I've been kind of bedridden for the past, like, week. And that's the pillow I've been using. She's been into heat and nah, she's fucking wild about it. She's supposed to fuck the shit out of it. She's biting the neck and everything, dude. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And she's a girl. You know, I'm Christian conservative, but you know, as far as like gay goes, I mean, gay is gay. If you're a girl, you're born and you like girls, alright, that's just the way it is. I'm all about gay folks. I guess I got a gay ass dog. And see that cat right there coming in the screen? I'm pretty sure she's a fucking tranny. Because she's all boy. All boy. That might be my fault though. Because I treated her like a boy the first like month of her life. Because I thought she was a boy. I don't know shit about cats. Fuck you mean. Alright, end of video.